Once upon a time in a colorful candy land, there was a magical ice cream cart run by Mr. Cool, the happiest ice cream maker in town. He had every flavor you could think of: strawberry swirl, chocolate fudge, and even rainbow sprinkle surprise. But there was one flavor that everyone talked about but no one had ever tried: the legendary Thums Up candy ice cream. One sunny day, a group of friends, Mia, Leo, and Max, decided to find out if the legend was true. They rode their bikes to Mr. Cool's cart, eager to ask him about the mysterious flavor. "Mr. Cool, do you really have Thums Up candy ice cream?" Mia asked excitedly. Mr. Cool smiled and winked. "It's true, but it's not just any ice cream. To taste it, you have to go on a little adventure." The friends' eyes widened with excitement. "What do we have to do?" Leo asked. Mr. Cool handed them a shiny silver key and a map. "Follow this map to the Candy Mountain and use the key to open the hidden treasure chest. Inside, you'll find the secret ingredient needed to make Thums Up candy ice cream." Without wasting a second, the friends set off on their adventure. They followed the map through Gumdrop Forest, across the Lollipop Bridge, and finally up to Candy Mountain. At the top, they found a small treasure chest. With trembling hands, Max used the key to unlock it. Inside was a glowing bottle labeled Thums Up Sparkle Syrup. They rushed back to Mr. Cool, who poured the syrup into his magical ice cream machine. As it churned, the air filled with the sweet, fizzy scent of Thums Up. Finally, the ice cream was ready, smooth, creamy, and with tiny candy bubbles that popped in their mouths like a burst of cola. Mia, Leo, and Max took their first bite and smiled from ear to ear. The legend was true: Thums Up candy ice cream was the most delicious treat they had ever tasted. And from that day on, Mr. Cool's cart became famous for the one-of-a-kind Thums Up candy ice cream, all thanks to the three brave friends who went on an adventure to make the legend come true.